to my channel. It's Cass. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Are we excited? Because I am. I'm actually using a few new products. I mean, clap for me because it's been a long time coming. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the bell. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in this week. So we're definitely needing you to hit the bell as well because I have not been saying that since the start of the channel. So if you are returning and you haven't hit the bell, just go ahead and just hit it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 9C palette today. I am in love. That thing is $12 and you get 9 shades of beauty and pigment. The colors are just beautiful for the summer, beautiful for the fall. Like, you can really mix and match and take it wherever you need it to go into any season. I also used a new concealer as well, which I've been using for a few weeks, and it is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage and Contour Concealer. This stuff is bomb. I have it in the color C11. Got this from Ulta for $8. I really feel like it's $8, but it was very cheap. It was under 10 and the coverage is crazy. I feel like people have been comparing this to Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm not going to be buying Tarte Shape Tape anytime soon, so I was like, might as well just try this. So yeah, so far I'm loving it. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. I'm really just showing you guys the eye look and the lips and everything like that because I actually did a review on the foundation that I'm wearing in this video, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Superstay. No, it's the Maybelline Superstay. So yeah, I did a review on that. I will link that up here somewhere down below, or if not, because I tend to forget, it is the most recent video before this. It should be. Just go back into my videos, guys. Come on, you might as well. I mean, if I forget, I apologize in advance. So yeah, I love you guys so much. There will be a cute montage at the end of this, model status, because you know, when you're feeling this good, you gotta get a few snaps in. I'm so out of control. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.